Hello guys, this is MinhyeokChoi3rdL third grade lesson 12. Let's get started. Write the amount. Okay, so quarters are the big ones, like these ones. So we have quarters, we have dimes, which is 10, and we have nickels, which is 5, and then we have pennies, which is 1. So the bronzish ones are pennies, like these ones. And then the small silver ones are dimes, and then the bigger one, which looks like a quarter, but it's not, that one's nickels. Okay, so we have two quarters, which is 50 cents, and we have one dime, which is 10 cents. We have one nickel, which is 5 cents. We have one penny, which is 1 cent. Add that all together, that is 6, that is 5, that is 0.56, or 56 cents. We have $1, that's a dime, dimer, so that's 30, that's a penny, so that's $1.31. $1, $2, so that is $2. That's a dime. So that's 2 dimes. And that's a quarter. It's 25. That's a nickel, which is 5. We have a penny, which is 1. Add all together, 5 and 5 is 10. 10, that is 11. 2, 4, 5. $2.51. This is a quarter. That is 75. Dime, and that is also dime. So 2 dimes, that'd be 0.20. And this is a penny, which is 1 cent. So that would equal to 96 cents. Fill in the blank. So the goal is to make it so the equation is true or the table is true, because they all have $4.75, but it's different ways. So we have $4. So let's take that out. So we have 75 cents left, and we have nothing else but quarters. And we know 75 cents is 3 quarters. Number 2, we have $4 $1 bills. So let's just, we have that for everything, so let's just take that out and then make all these 0.75. So we're trying to get to 0.75. So we have 1 nickel. So from 75, let's minus 5, which is 70. And we need dimes. And dimes we know are 0.10. And 0.10 goes into 0.7 how many times? 7 times. So times 7 times. And let's take 2 quarters out, just like last time. Oh, never mind, guys. That was not, we forgot to subtract quarters. So we have 2 quarters, which is 50. 1 nickel, which makes it 55. Let's minus that from 75, which we get 20. So that would be 2 dimes instead of 7. Sorry, guys. 2. So we're gonna minus 50 again, but we have 5 pennies, which is 5. So that's gonna be same 55. So that's 20. And with dimes again, so that'd be 2 dimes. Instead of, we have 1 quarter, 75 minus 25, and nothing else. So we're gonna have 0 and 5, and 50 cents, as we know for sure, it's 5 dimes. And right here we have 1 quarter, 75 minus 25, and then we have 4 dimes, which is, let's do that first, 0.50. 4 dimes is 40 cents. So you have 10 cents left. And from 10 cents we minus 1 nickel, which is 5. So we have 5 cents left, and we're looking for pennies, and 5 cents is 5 pennies. Use greater, less than, or equal to compare the amount of money. $3 2 quarters is 50 cents, and a nickel is 5 cents. So that'd be $3.55. You have $2. You have 4 nickels, which is $1, and 5 dimes, which is 50 cents. So that'd be $3.50, and 55 is greater 5, but this one is 0. $1 is 1. 4 quarters is $1, and excuse me. So 5 nickels is, we know 5 times 5 is 25. So that'd be $2.25. And $1 is 1. 4 quarters is also 1. 2, and then 2 dimes is 0.10, or 10 cents times 2, which is 20 cents. So that'd be $2.20, and 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 versus 0. 5 is greater. $2 is $2. 2 dimes is 20 cents, and 5 pennies is 5 cents. $1, 5 quarters is it, which is $1.25, because we know 4 quarters is $1, and plus 1 quarter, which is 25. So 100 plus 25 is 125. 1 nickel is 5. Be 1, 2, and 2.30. That'd be 2, and 2.25, and 3 is greater than 2. You guys could try the rest of the problems. Joseph bought a dog collar for $4.75 and a leash for $6.38. How much money did Joseph spend? So we're trying to find the total amount Joseph spent. So let's just 13, that's 10, that's 11, that is also 11, $11.13. Clark has 2 quarters and 1 nickel. Ben has an equivalent set using dimes and nickels. Ben has 8 coins. How many dimes and nickels does Ben have? So let's figure out how much money Clark has. 2 quarters is 50 cents. 1 nickel is 5 cents. So he has 55 cents. And Ben has 8 coins, which is dimes and nickels. So let's try to split it into dimes and nickels. Let's try 3 dimes and 5 nickels. So that'd be 3 times 10, that's 30. And then 5 times 5 is 25. So if you plus this, it should be equal to 55. So that'd be 55. Oh, so we got a first try. So he has 3 dimes and 5 nickels. Colonial Americans used Spanish silver dollar coins. The dollar was cut into 8 bits called pieces of 8. If 2 bits equal 25 cents, what did 4 bits equal? If 2 is equal to 25 and this doubles into 4, this also has to double into 4, or 2. It also has to double, so 25 times 2, let's do it right now. 25 times 2, that is 10, carry that 1, 2 times 2 is 4, it's 5, and 4 bits are equal to 50 cents. Susan bought a dog bowl for $2.59 and a chew bone for $4.75. She paid with a $10 bill. How much change can she get? So let's add how much money she spent first, and then subtract from $10 which she paid with. 14, that is 12, 13, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's minus that from 10. And 0, 9, 9, 9. That is 5. That is 6. That is 2. And she could get $2.65. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.